Hey there, fellow food lovers. Let's talk keto. It's everywhere, right? From magazines to social media, the ketogenic diet is having a major moment. But it's way more than just a trend. It's a powerful approach to eating that prioritizes healthy fats, moderate protein, and very low carbs. Think of it as a complete lifestyle shift that can transform your health and well-being from the inside out. Curious to learn more? You're in the right place. We'll dive deep into the keto lifestyle, exploring its incredible benefits, delicious meal plans, and easy-to-follow recipes. Whether you're a seasoned keto pro or just starting your journey, this guide is packed with practical tips and tricks to help you thrive. Ready to unlock the power of keto? Let's get started. Why is everyone so excited about keto? Well, the benefits are pretty amazing. When you embrace a keto lifestyle, you're not just changing what you eat, you're changing how your body operates at a cellular level. Instead of relying on glucose or sugar for energy, your body shifts into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel. This metabolic switch can lead to some pretty incredible outcomes, including weight loss. Keto helps you shed those extra pounds and keep them off by reducing appetite and boosting metabolism. Increased energy. Say goodbye to those afternoon slumps. Keto provides sustained energy throughout the day. Enhanced mental clarity. Experience improved focus, concentration, and cognitive function. Balanced blood sugar. Keto helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it a great option for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Reduced inflammation. Keto has anti-inflammatory effects that can benefit overall health and well-being. One of the best things about keto is that it's super adaptable to your individual needs and preferences. There are endless possibilities when it comes to creating delicious and satisfying keto meals. To give you a head start, here's a sample daily meal plan. Breakfast: scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado. Keto smoothie with almond milk, spinach protein powder, and MCT oil. Lunch: grilled salmon with asparagus and a side salad. Leftovers from dinner: dinner chicken stir-fry with cauliflower rice. Ground beef and zucchini noodles with marinara sauce. Remember, these are just a few ideas to inspire you. Feel free to get creative and experiment with different keto-friendly ingredients and recipes. Culinary delights. Simple and satisfying keto recipes. Ready to tantalize your taste buds with some mouth-watering keto creations? Here are 2 easy-to-follow recipes. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, half an avocado, pitted and peeled. 1 scoop vanilla protein powder. 1 tablespoon MCT oil. Half a teaspoon vanilla extract. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and enjoy. 1 pound large shrimp, peeled and deveined. 4 cloves garlic, minced. 1/4 cup dry white wine, optional. 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley. Salt and pepper to taste. Melt butter in a large skillet. Add garlic and cook until fragrant. Pour in white wine and simmer. Add shrimp and cook until pink. Stir in parsley, salt, and pepper. Serve over zucchini noodles or cauliflower rice. Thriving on keto. Practical tips for success. Embarking on a new way of eating can feel a little daunting at first, but it doesn't have to be. Here are some practical tips to help you thrive on your keto journey. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support your body's natural detoxification processes. Replenish electrolytes lost through increased water intake by consuming bone broth, avocado, and leafy greens. Prepare your meals in advance, or have keto-friendly snacks on hand to avoid derailing your progress. Pay attention to your hunger cues and eat only when you're truly hungry. It takes time for your body to adapt to a ketogenic diet. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Your keto journey begins a note of encouragement. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Embracing the keto lifestyle is an incredible gift you give yourself. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. There will be ups and downs along the way, but the key is to keep learning, growing, and most importantly, enjoying the process. What are your favorite keto recipes or tips? Share them in the comments below. Have questions about the keto diet? Ask away. Let's support each other on this exciting adventure.